Capital One Venture One Rewards for Good Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how simple earning travel rewards can be. The Capital One Venture One Rewards card gives unlimited 1.25 miles per dollar on all purchases, with no annual fee. Most people assume travel rewards are complicated, but this card keeps it easy. Miles can be redeemed for flights, hotels, or travel statement credits. There are no rotating categories or caps. For people with good credit who want travel rewards without fuss, this card is ideal. The downside? There are fewer perks compared to premium travel cards, such as lounge access or elite status. But for straightforward travel rewards, this card delivers quietly. Verdict: worth it for good credit travelers seeking simplicity. Leave it if you want premium travel benefits.